Greetings, knowledge seekers. Dr. Jogaila Vaitekaitis here. You are tuning into EDU Papers. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the fascinating world of education and artificial intelligence. We'll be exploring the realm of language modelers like ChatGPT and how they might shape our future, particularly in terms of their potential impact on various occupations and industries. Our compass for this journey is a thought-provoking paper by scientists from Princeton, University of Pennsylvania, and New York University. It's called How Will Language Modelers like ChatGPT Affect Occupations and Industries? Link in the description. This paper not only delves into the heart of AI advancements, but also provides a comprehensive analysis of how these technologies might reshape our professional landscape, especially education sector. Now, imagine this. You're a teacher in the future, and instead of spending hours grading essays, an AI tool does it in seconds. Imagine a world where AI language models like ChatGPT are not just tools, but your colleagues, lawyers, or even your teachers. It might sound like a plot from a science fiction novel, right? But this paper suggests that we might be closer to that reality than you think. It's like standing on the edge of a new frontier, where AI is not just an assistant, but an integral part of our professional lives. To navigate this new frontier, the authors use a measure called AI Occupational Exposure, or AIOE. Crafted by Professor Felten and colleagues, this instrument is built upon 10 cutting-edge AI applications that have made ripples across our technological landscape. These applications include abstract strategy games, image and speech recognition, reading comprehension, language modeling, and others, all demonstrating AI's cognitive power and adaptability. But the AIOE goes even further, linking these applications with 52 human abilities. These abilities encompass everything from oral comprehension and inductive reasoning to arm-hand steadiness. The authors combine this data with over 800 occupations described through a blend of these human abilities. The final step is the weaving together of these AI applications and human abilities, resulting in the AIOE for each occupation. This methodology isn't just an academic exercise, it's a window into a world where AI doesn't just mimic human tasks, but enhances, collaborates, and potentially redefines them. And here's the big reveal. Out of the top 20 occupations most exposed to language modeling AI, a staggering 15 are in the field of teaching. Yes, you heard it right. Our educators are on the front lines of this AI revolution. From English and foreign language teachers to history and law professors, the teaching profession is set to be a major battleground in the AI revolution. Now, for our education empowerment moment. This finding underscores the potential for a seismic shift in the field of education. Advances in language modeling could revolutionize how we teach and learn, opening up exciting new possibilities for personalized and AI-assisted education. But it also means that teachers will need to adapt and learn to work with these new technologies. It's a call to action for educators to embrace this change and equip themselves with the skills to harness the power of AI. You might have thought, wait, my literature teacher is being replaced by an AI? Not exactly. Let's have a reality check. While AI language models have the potential to augment or even substitute certain jobs, the exact nature of this impact will depend on the specifics of each occupation. Your literature teacher might be pushed to use AI tools to assist them in their work. So, while the wolf might be at the door, it's not necessarily a bad wolf. It could be a wolf that brings innovation and efficiency, or it could be a wolf that brings disruption and uncertainty. The key is to be prepared and adaptable. By being informed and continuously learning, we're better equipped to traverse this novel terrain. After all, AI isn't about machines ruling over us, it's about leveraging them to augment our capabilities. Interestingly, the research also found a positive correlation between an occupation's wages and its exposure to language modeling AI. This means that higher paid, white-collar jobs, including, as mentioned, many in the field of education, are more likely to be affected by these technologies. It's a trend that could redefine the professional landscape, with high-paying jobs becoming more intertwined with AI technologies. In conclusion, this paper provides a systematic approach to understanding how language modelers like ChatGPT will affect occupations, industries, and geographies. It's a fascinating glimpse into a future where AI plays an even bigger role in our work and our lives. It's a future where our jobs might change, our skills might need to evolve, and our understanding of work might need to be redefined. This is Dr. Jogaila Vaitekaitis, signing off from EDU Papers. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. So, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring. Until next time, knowledge seekers.